Find the equation of a line perpendicular to 2x minus 5y minus 10 is equals to 0 and passing through 3 comma minus 1. Okay, solution now. This is what you need to do. Now you need to understand the fact that we've been given an equation which is 2x minus 5y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now, but we are going to look for another equation that is perpendicular to this and passing through 3 comma minus 1. Now listen. Now if the gradient of the equation above is m1, then let the gradient of the second equation be m2. Okay, then let the gradient of the second equation be m2. Now listen, because they are perpendicular, it therefore means that m1, m2, that is the product of their gradients, must be equals to minus 1. This is a very, very important rule that you must know. Okay, it's a key to solving this question. Now let's go further. Let's go and get our m1. We can actually get our m1 from 2x minus 5y minus 10 is equals to 0. Now, how do we now get our m1? Is first, make this equation to look exactly like the general equation of a straight line, which is y is equals to mx plus c. Very important. You have to do this for you to be able to get your m. Now, this is the m that we're talking about here, okay? That is our m1. So let's make y the surrogate formula, because by implication, that is exactly what it means. So we are going to have minus 5y is equals to minus 2x, then plus 10. Then dividing all through by minus 5, you're going to have over minus 5 here, over minus 5 here, and over minus 5 here. So this one we cancel out, so we have y is equals to, now you can see we have 2 over 5x. Then, of course, we have minus 2. All right? Now, by comparing coefficients, now look at y is equals to mx plus c. You can now see that our m is equals to 2 over 5. So m1, of course, is equals to 2 over 5. So we're done with this. All right? Now, what is the relationship now again? m1, m2 is equals to minus 1. So therefore, for me to get my m2 is equals to minus 1 over m1, which is the same thing as a minus 1 all over 2 over 5, okay? Which basically, when you work it out, you are going to have minus 5 over 2. Now, this is my m2. So I've gotten my m2 to be minus 5 over 2. Now, I have a gradient, but the line passes through, let's check out, okay, through 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Now, you could see that we have a gradient, then we have a point through which the line passes through. Now, our minds will be tilted towards finding equation of a line, given a gradient and a point, which we are going to use this formula y minus y1 is equals to m, in this case is m2 into x minus x1. So we are good to go. Now listen, this is our x1, y1, and of course we have our m2. So therefore, we are now going to substitute. So this is going to be y minus 1. You close the bracket. See, you I'm playing my bracket. Very important, okay? Then I have minus 5 over 2 into x. Then I have minus 3. Now, working this out, we have y plus 1 is equals to minus 5 over 2 into x minus 3. Cross multiplying, you have 2 into y plus 1 is equals to minus 5 into x minus 3. Expanding further, you have 2y plus 2 is equals to minus 5x, then plus 15. Then collecting them, okay, we are going to have 2y plus 5x plus 2 minus 15 is equals to 0. So at the end of the day, if we rearrange it fine, you're going to have 5x plus 2y. then have minus 13 is equals to 0. You see that you leave it like this, or you can go further to say it is 5x plus 2y is equals to 13. Basically, these two are okay. Anyhow, you keep it. Okay, or you just watch to know in what way they want you to actually leave your answer. So this is basically how to solve this type of question.